Let's calculate income tax using federal tax tables. Now, to start, this is like basic. There is so much more to calculating income tax than just looking at a tax table. But this is kind of just a little understanding of how to start. And then you can always get into everything else later, but the basics. So there are 4 tax tables when we're thinking about filing taxes, and it depends on how you are filing. So like I am single, I'm not married, I have no kids. I am a single filer, okay? If you are married, you could be filing separately, or you could be married and filing jointly, right? So together or apart. And then you have the head of household, which I've never been a head of household, so I don't know anything about that one. I am a single filer, and therefore I will do an example about a single filer. Okay, so different tables, different amounts for different, all depending on how you file. So this is a single filer tax table for the tax year of 2021. So you'll notice we have the tax rate in the first column, the tax bracket, and then the taxes owed. So the tax bracket, the middle column, is where you say, okay, I earn $50,000 a year. That puts me in this tax bracket because $50,000 would fit in here. Okay, that means I would owe $4,664 plus 22% of anything over. So because I earn $50,000, right, I would find the difference. That amount is taxed at the 22% tax rate. Okay, that's kind of how this all works. So we're going to do an example based off of this tax table. Okay, you are a single filer with a taxable income of $62,384. Based on the 2021 single filer tax table, how much will you pay in income taxes? Again, remember, this is very basic. There's so much more that goes into it than just a tax table, but just for clear understanding, this is what we got. Okay, so first we need to figure out which tax bracket does $62,384 fall into. Well, it's the one that we were playing with before. So we need to deal with this. Okay, so $4,664 plus 22% of anything over $40,525. Okay, so $4,664 plus 22% of the amount over $40,525. So our first step is to figure out how much do we have over $40,525. So if I would take $62,384 and subtract $40,525, I get $21,859. So that is the amount over $40,000. Okay, so back to this. So now I'm at $4,664 plus 22%. Let's change that to a decimal and multiply it by 21,859. Order of operations says I should multiply this together first, which is $4,808.98. So I end up with $4,664 plus $4,808.98 for a total income tax of $9,472.98. Again, that's like the basics. We did not talk about anything else of how we found that taxable income, but that is how we play with federal tax tables from the year 2021 as a single filer.